The best small talk phrases in English. Let's go! How you doing, everybody? This is MMD and you're watching English with MMD, and today we're going to learn the best small talk phrases in English. Small talk is a way you can start or end conversations super politely with just small sentences. Imagine someone is there sitting and you want to go there and say hi, but you don't know how to open a conversation. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can do it super politely. Alright? Tazmini with English with MMD. Let's go. The first one. You look great. You can give a compliment on someone's look and start a conversation. Easy. On to the next one. How are things? Simply by asking this question you can start a conversation. How are things means how is your job? How is your life? How is your relationship? It contains everything. It's general. On to the next one. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. It means I didn't expect you to be here. But you are. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. This word is a little bit hard. You need to practice it. By practicing the tongue twisters I post every Tuesday, you can improve your pronunciations. Alright? What a coincidence. What a coincidence. On to the next one. When someone gives you a good news and you are really happy for that guy, you can say, that's great. Or you can replace the word great. For example, that's awesome. That's super. It means I'm so happy for you. That's great. On to the next one. Is everything going fine? Or is everything going okay? It means everything is okay with you or not. On to the next one. When you are going to give someone a shocking news, you can start with this. You won't believe this. You won't believe this. Simply, you can make that guy excited and he would listen to you. You won't believe this. I got a job. You won't believe this. Something happened to me. Okay, on to the next one. When you haven't seen your friends for a long period of time, you can say, I haven't seen you for ages. Or you can combine it with this phrase, long time no see. And you can say them together. Long time no see. I haven't seen you for ages. On to the next one. When someone gives you a bad news, you can express your sympathy by saying, oh, I'm so sorry. That's terrible. That's terrible. I'm so sorry to hear that. The last one, and my favorite. When someone is giving you a good news, you can say, wow, good for you. You can use this phrase in two ways. First way, you're really happy for that guy. You can say, good for you. I'm so happy for you. The second way is a sarcastic way. You can say, okay, good for you. Now go. So, the real way and the sarcastic way. Good for you, buddy. And yeah, good for you. Okay, That was it for today. If you enjoyed that video, which I hope, don't forget to follow, like, comment. Catch you guys on the next one. As always, love you all.